Hello friends, you're welcome to this video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about how to implement row level security. We will learn how to implement static and dynamic row level security. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the like button if you found this video useful. Share with your friends. Please start the video and understand how we can do that. So first of all, let us understand why actually we need row level security. Let me tell you. So I have created here role like product AC and product Y. So let's first understand the data. Basically, let me show you quickly the data. So first of all, we need actually users role in this in a table that will be mostly provided by the client. Like for example, you are seeing here email user one John user one and with their specific email address, right? And they have different usernames. Like user one is the product, can see the product bike, and he is also managing product cycle and bottle. So you are seeing user one has access to three products like bike, cycle, and bottle. And similarly, John has only one product access, that is AC, right? And the one more user is here, Mark, that has access to lights. So we have three distinct user here, and we want the user specific user can only see their specific product sales, right? Not all the sales. So we have sales of all the distinct like six products here. So let's see how this works, right? So I have already created, let me show you a demo. Like I am seeing the product AC. When I filter this, so you're seeing John has only access to product AC, and this report gets filtered only specific to the product AC. So this is a static row level security. Similarly, if I put over there product bike, and if I written, that doesn't affect actually because this is static, and the whole report you are seeing gets filtered according to the bike, right? So this is the case actually when we publish our report, so users can only see their respectively product sales, right? So let's understand how we can do that. First I will tell you about the static row level security. Okay, so first you need a users table here where the user will define the which user has access to which product. Now to create this, we are going to the modeling tab, and in the modeling tab you see this role manage rules. When you click AC and go over the users table, not because here you have to select the table where you want to implement and click over the new here. So this is quite similar. In the column section you have to select the column which you are applying row level security. So in my case, first of all, I am creating a static row level security which is for a product, and I where product is equal to what, AC. You have to pass the product name here, and it is, and make sure it is case sensitive, so you have to pass the correct name which is in your data, right? And let's create another role and rename it as bike, and okay, and you have to pass here name product bike, right? So we have created two roles here. So for the time being I am just creating two roles to show you, and click over the save button and simply close. So let's see how this works. When you click over view as, you get the option to view your, so this is the role product AC and this is the role product bike. So whenever you want to give access to product AC roles, you can simply give access to those, only those users. So if I click over product AC, the whole report gets filtered as per the AC, right? So similarly, if I click over bike, so it, the report you are seeing is filtered according to the product, not according to the user. It is filtering according to the bike product, right? So similarly, if you can create a different role as well for cycle, fan, lights, etc. And I will show you how you can publish this report and give provide access to the users. So later in this video. So now you understand the concept of the static security, basically, which you can create statically over the product. But what is the case when there are multiple product, thousand products, or like there will be many users? So you are not able to create thousand roles because they will be more time consuming, and it will not a right way. So in this case, here comes the dynamic row level security. So let's understand the dynamic row level security, how we can do that. So similarly, click over manage roles, and here click on new tab, and I am naming it as dynamic RLS, right? Now this will apply on again on users table. Click over the new, and now this we will create based on the column email, right? Because it will identify the email address and their respective product which we want to give access. Whenever a user log in through their email, it will read data accordingly, right? So here is a very powerful DAX we have, that is you have to pass their user principal name. uh, let's see if it is correct. Okay, so you can switch to DAX editor as well to check if your DAX is correct or not. I think I have to remove this double inverted comma. So you have to write it like this way: email equals to user principal name. Now we're done. Simply save this role and let's see if how it works, right? Now, now understand how dynamic security will work. So earlier I have shown you product wise, where you can select any product, the report gets filtered as per the specific product, right? But in the case of dynamic row level security, we have to pass user's email. So let's see, I am copying this. What I can do, I have copied this email user1 at the rate power bi tutorials at the dot this, right? And simply click on view as, and if I paste this, so the report gets filtered as per the user email, and this user has access to 4 products actually: product, bike, bottle, cycle and fan, and rest of the users are not seeing and not the product, right? So this is the power of the dynamic row level security. So similarly, if I stop this, if I select this, and the last user I have selected, if I paste their email here, there, so this user has only one access to only one product, that is lights, and that's why it's showing only one product data, right? So now we are done. This is the concept of Power BI row level security. Now I'll show you how you can, this is the 80% task we have done already, 80 to 90%. Now let's see, when we publish this report, how we have to provide access to the users actually. So I am just publishing this report to this workspace. Okay, and now we will open directly this report. So in case of dynamic row level security, you don't have provide to access specific access to the users, because it works dynamically when a user from the organization login with their email. Let's say my email is user1 at the rate uh, tutorials.com. So I can only see products which are bike, bottle, cycle and fan, right? But in case of static row level security, you have to go to the workspace where the report is published, and with the sharing option, you have to go over the data set where we have published. Yeah, just simply click on these 3 dot options of data, and click over security, and you can see their roles which we have created, right? So this is the product AC, product bike, right? So dynamic row level security will perfectly work when the user login, but For the product AC, we have to pass here email address, right? For example, I am putting here user1 at the rate org name, organization name, right? You can simply put the email address of the user, so that he can access the product AC only. When you, in case of bike, and you can simply put the access to the email address which are basically users, uh, and there will be multiple products, and you can provide them access by putting their email address in this box, right? But this is not the case for the dynamic row level security. It will perfectly work. So this is how you can implement Power BI row level security, static and dynamic. I hope you understand about static and dynamic row level security, and you will be implement in your reports. Thank you so much for watching this video, and keep subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more amazing contents. Thank you so much.